Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change password on Krispy Kreme. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Krispy Kreme application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Krispy Kreme? Pretty simple. You can find it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Krispy Kreme and follow through the on-screen prompt to either to install or to download. Now, after installing successfully, it's going to take you right into this application where you're going to be asked to either log in or to create a new account. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Krispy Kreme. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to change password on Krispy Kreme. Let's say when creating an account, you added a password. Let's say the password is too difficult for you to remember and you just want to change it to something that you can easily remember. Here's how you can do that. From this homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen. You're going to find your account icon. Click on that and head over to the my account category where you have the account information, edit account information, address book, and my favorite. So I'd like you to go ahead and click on edit account information, and it's going to take you to that window where you can now edit your account information. Now over here you have the luxury of changing your first name, you have the luxury of changing your last name, you have the luxury of changing your date of birth. It says you must be 18 or over. You have the luxury of changing your gender and customer favorite store. Now go down, you're going to see change email and change password. The core of this tutorial says change password, so go ahead and click on that checkbox that says change password. So over here you're going to have to enter your current password. Now for you to change your password, it means you have to remember your current password. So over here in this communications bar, go ahead and type in your current password, and after entering your current password, head over here and click on new password and enter your new password. Once you enter your new password, head over here and confirm your new password. Now this confirm new password means whatever thing you typed in here in this new password bar, go ahead and repeat the same thing in this confirm new password bar. Now once you do that, go ahead and click on save and your new password will be saved. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.